Today, Sermon 117 by Hazrat Ali. Rebuking misers. You spend no wealth in the cause of him who gave it, nor do you risk your lives for the sake of him who created them. You enjoy honor through Allah among his creatures, but you do not honor Allah among his creatures. You should derive lessons from your occupying the places of those who were before you and from the departure of your nearest brothers. Jazakallah. Today, the sermon of Nehjul Balagha 117 presented to you, Mominins. Please subscribe our channel and share with the friends.